Yo, what's up guys, how you doing? So today's video is going to be in two different parts. So first thing I'm going to do, we are going to create this text right here with Pixellab, this white one right here. So let me just hide everything right here. So guys, as you can see, the canvas is black. So instead of us to create that, I want to create something else. We're just going to replicate that text, but it will still give us the same result. So make sure you watch till the end. Just going to add text right here. Now edit it. Sunday. So I'm going to change the font to something different. So I'm going to be using this font right here. This is the font I will be using. Click on OK. I'm going to copy it and edit it to service. But this time I'm going to increase the size to be something big like this. Let me just reduce the space between. Is it okay? Let me just leave it like that. And I'll reposition it, place it at the middle. So guys, please make sure you watch this video to the very end, and don't forget to like and share this video. So as you can see right here, there's some empty space right here and here. So I'm just going to fill up that space by adding shape. It's just for you to be creative. Something simple. Sorry for that. I think it's okay like this. And guys, there are different what am I even saying? There are different ways you can edit this PSD text effect, but this is just a different way. I'm just making sure it's well aligned. Position is very I think it's okay like that, and I'll copy it. Also position it right here. I'll increase it. And I think it's okay like this. So now as you can see right here, I'm just going to turn the background to transparent, then save it. So that's the first part. So after saving it, we are going to head up to Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. I'll type photo right here. Then I'll click on new project. And I'll change the height to 1 to 80 and DPI 200, and the project name, let me just change it to now click on create right here, create. So as you can see right here now, make sure you watch carefully. The next thing I'm going to do is click on this file right here. I'll click on it, and I'll click on open, which is this second one right here. I'll click on it, open. Then most of you must have, like, I'm sure you must have know how to download PSD file. So if you don't know how to download PSD file, I will drop a link of one of my videos in the description for you to know how to do that. So these are some PSD file I've downloaded. So I'm just going to use this one right here. I'm going to wait for it to load. It won't take much time. So guys, after it's finished loading, we're going to click on this layer button right here, this one. You click on it, then I'll double tap on this highlighted one right, this, double tap it, then I'll go back again, then I'll cancel it. So after that, I'll still click on this file again, then I'll click on this second option right here, open and place. So the text we saved from Pixellab, that's the one we're going to import right now. Click on it, then wait for it to load again. So after loading, as you can see, look at it right here. I'm just going to position it at the middle. Yeah, it's okay. After that, I'll click on the file again, then click on save smart object. Wait for it to load. So guys, please make sure you like this video, comment, and also subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because that's how you get notified when I drop a new video. So let's just wait for it to load. Yeah, it has successfully saved as smart object. So now this is the most important thing for this video, most important part. I'm just going to click on this 34364 PS. I'll click on it. You just wait, it's going to take time. Just going to pause this video, then wait for it to load. So guys, as you can see right here, it has loaded successfully, and take a look at how beautiful it's looking. So for us to save this, first I'm going to remove the background and disable it like this. Then for us to save, I'll click on this file again, then export as, click on export as PNG, then wait. So guys, please do it to like this video, share, and also subscribe. I'm just going to click on this save button right here again. Then download again. So as you can see, it has been downloaded already. Let me just show you the difference. Right, now I'm coming. So as you can see, look at it. So you can do for any text that you can think of, any text. So thanks for watching guys, see you in my next video.